especially in classics. 1974 MG MGB Roadster or convertible. This particular car, I believe in 74 would have been teal blue, which is kind of a medium blue in the MGs. Interior, black vinyl interior, and that has been reupholstered. You'll be able to check out in the still picture. I'll tell you where to see those in a little bit. Give you a little heads up too, and just some of the paint does show a little bit kind of blotchy in areas, if you can see that. So paint does show its age a little bit. Underneath the hood, 1.8 liter inline four-cylinder. That is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Riding on the MG Rally style wheels. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see this car from every angle, underside, engine bay, interior, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Also, we'll give you the heads up. It does come with the cockpit cover, so on the layout so you can see it here. Nice shape. And then it also comes with the parade boot or the convertible cover also. So, the heads up, it will come with that. Let's go ahead and check out this interior. Again, reupholstered black vinyl. It's your 4-speed center console. Top is black vinyl, and we're going to put that up here in just a bit, and I'll start it up so you can hear it running everything too. Now, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Go ahead and take a look up and down the driver's side of this, and there are some spots throughout the car where you might have a little nick. A little one down in the door, this little ding here, just to give you the heads up. Be a nice one to get in and drive though. Put the top down, enjoy the summer. All right, take a look at the interior. Door panels, nice shape. Seats are looking good. Couldn't have been reupholstered too long ago looking at the condition. Alright. What I'm going to do is pause this a second. I want to put this top up so we can check that out. And then like I said, I'll start it up so you can hear it run too. So give me a second and we'll get that done.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, got the top up for you to take a peek at. You can see black vinyl. Majority of it pretty nice shape. I did notice one little spot back here where there's a little wear spot. You could always patch up from the inside if you wanted to, and I just flipped it up. I didn't snap it all the way down on the bottom. I hooked it in the rear right here in the bottom and snapped the fronts so you could get an idea what it looked like. I mean, it's going to serve the purpose if you need to stay dry or keep you out of the direct sun. I'm going to do that fine, and as you can see up front, nice and tight where I latched it. Now, as far as starting it too, I went to fire it up. And the idle on it's a little high. I'm going to get it in our back shop, have that idle adjusted, but I wanted to at least show you the top on it so we'd finish up this video. If you'd like to hear the car running, like I said, they'll adjust the idle. Go ahead, if you call in or want to hear it running, consult with a sales associate. Otherwise, I'll try to get back on this one once they adjust the idle. And we'll get a little video of it running for you. 1974 MGB Roadster. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we do assist with transportation. Also, in this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.